Thanks for tuning in. Here I have another quick unboxing video of a JBL Bluetooth speaker, model number Flip 6, JBL by Harman. So Harman is the head company, and Harman also owns a couple of other brands like Harman Kardon also. Guess what? Harman is now owned by Samsung. Samsung has bought this head company in 2017. So this brand actually sits with Samsung now. So I'll quickly call out what's there written on the box, and then we'll proceed with opening the box itself and seeing the product. Bluetooth version 5.1, battery is 12 hours. It says JBL Party Boost wirelessly links multiple Flip 6 speakers together. So if you have more than one device, you can connect them together and play together. 12 hours of play time, IP67 waterproof and dust proof, which is good, and then eco-friendly packing. JBL Party Boost called out again here, and then dare to listen, ask. Okay, so moving on to open the package quickly. Bold sound for every adventure. And what is this? Okay, suppose some paperwork. And there, I like the red color, and that's when I picked up this one. This is retailing in Amazon for $169 Sing dollars, amazon.sg, Singapore. And if you are interested in other colors, I noticed that the price is slightly less than this one. If you are looking for a blue or a gray, I noticed that it's retailing around 140 Sing dollars on amazon.sg. However, I bought this one in Singapore airport while I was going for a quick holiday vacation. Okay, picking it up for the first time. I see a loop here. Okay, Flip 6 branding here. Power on button, Bluetooth button, yeah. And then I see a Type C port, and I think these are play volume buttons, and then this party boost button. So this is a party boost button. So when you have, I don't think so I'll buy another one like this. I just wanted to try out this product and then quickly picked it up. I will do a thorough test later, and I will try to compare it with other products. So let's look at what's inside this. I should see a charging cable. There you go. Here, interestingly, it's there's no adapter, so this is a Type C, and then on the other side it's a USB. So USB to Type C connection, and then there's no adapter there, so you need to connect your own adapter. There's nothing else in the box itself. Okay, booting up for the first time. Let's see if there is any juice left in this one. There. So it's trying to look for a Bluetooth connection straight away. So let me try to connect my phone on it. It's connected now. Just want to be sure that I'm not playing it loud at this hour. not sure if the mic is actually picking up the sound. Right off the bat I feel that it's got a lot of bass. Let me look up for something which has got a bit of bass.
Four wild horses follow me as I ride this trail of misery. Four wild horses follow me, and I'll ride to hell to set you free.
Okay, trying to show you what's the volume level I am at here.
Horses follow me, and I'll ride to hell to set you free.
So I think it's doing a pretty decent job. Like I thought, JBL is known for its bass, and I kind of like it. It's quite bass heavy, but then you've got to choose what songs you're trying to listen on to this. I think based on your taste, it is either suitable, apt for you, and it's purely personal choice. Some people like bass, some people don't. That's my quick opinion about it. If you're a bass heavy person, I think you'll definitely like this one. That's my 2 cents, and I think it's really not bad, given that it is IP67 waterproof and dust proof, and then it's got 12 hours of play time, and then you can carry it. It's not heavy, it's pretty small. Let me just give you a quick comparison to my iPhone Max. So you can see that it's slightly one finger taller than my iPhone Max Pro. So in comparison also, there, the width of it, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's a quick one for you, a quick demo. I hope you can decide, or it was really helpful. Thanks for watching in, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you really like my content. Thanks a lot. Leave your comments if you have any questions. Cheers. Bye bye.